Challenge yourself. Become proficient in English in 6 months. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by learning English or wondered if it's even possible to improve your English skills in just 6 months, then today's video is for you. We're going to break down how you can become proficient in English in just half a year. Sounds like a challenge? Let's dive in. 1. Set your goal. First things first, setting a clear and achievable goal is key. Ask yourself, what does being proficient in English mean to you? Does it mean being able to hold a conversation, understanding movies without subtitles, or writing emails fluently? Everyone has different goals, so it's important to define what success looks like for you. Once you have your goal, break it down into smaller, actionable steps. For example, if you want to be able to speak confidently, you could aim to learn 10 new words every day and use them in a sentence. This way, you're always making progress. 2. Immerse yourself. Next, let's talk about immersion. The more you surround yourself with the language, the quicker you'll pick it up. Here's the secret. Try to make English a part of your everyday life. Watch movies and TV shows. Find content that you enjoy, whether it's a show, a movie, or even YouTube channels like this one. Try to watch with English subtitles at first, and then challenge yourself to watch without them. Listen to podcasts and music. You can even listen to English while you're doing other tasks like cooking or commuting. It's all about getting your brain used to the sounds and structure of the language. Change your phone and social media language settings. This may seem small, but it's a powerful trick. By constantly interacting with your phone or apps in English, you'll start to pick up more vocabulary and phrases without even realizing it. 3. Practice speaking. Speaking is often the biggest hurdle for language learners, but it's also one of the most important skills to develop. Here's my advice. Start speaking as soon as possible. Don't wait until you feel perfect. Remember, mistakes are a natural part of the learning process. Language exchange. Find a language partner online or in person. There are apps and websites where you can connect with native speakers. You'll get real-world feedback, and it's a great way to practice conversation in a relaxed, informal setting. Shadowing technique. This is a fun one. Pick a sentence from a movie or podcast and try to mimic the speaker exactly, their tone, pace, and pronunciation. It's an excellent way to train your speaking skills and pronunciation. Talk to yourself. Sounds a little crazy, right? But talking to yourself in English is actually super helpful. Try narrating your day or practicing your speech out loud. It may feel strange at first, but it works. 4. Focus on vocabulary and grammar. Next up, vocabulary and grammar. These two are the building blocks of any language, and they work hand in hand. Vocabulary. Aim to learn at least 5 to 10 new words every day. Flashcards can be your best friend here. Apps like Anki or Quizlet are fantastic for building your vocabulary over time. And don't just memorize. Use the words in sentences and practice them regularly to make them stick. Grammar. Now, grammar can be intimidating, but it's essential for clear communication. Don't try to learn every rule at once. Focus on one topic at a time, like verb tenses, articles, or prepositions. There are tons of great online resources and books to help you get a solid grasp of grammar rules. Remember, consistency is key. Practice every day, even if it's only for 20 minutes. Little by little, you'll notice improvement. 5. Engage with the community. Don't forget about the power of community. Connecting with others who are also learning English can motivate you to keep going. You don't have to do this alone. Join language learning forums. Reddit, Discord, and Facebook have great groups where learners share tips, resources, and encourage each other. Participate in online challenges. These could be as simple as daily speaking challenges or writing challenges that push you to practice in real life. Follow language influencers. There are plenty of language coaches and influencers who offer daily tips on platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Follow them to keep your motivation high. 6. Track your progress. To stay motivated, track your progress. When you see how far you've come, you'll feel proud and inspired to keep going. Use an app. There are apps like Duolingo or Babbel that allow you to track your progress. They show you how many lessons you've completed and give you rewards for hitting milestones. Write a journal. Keep a language learning journal where you record your thoughts, challenges, and successes. This can also help you see how much your speaking and writing improve over time. Test yourself. Take language proficiency tests online or challenge yourself with mock exams. They'll give you a clear idea of where you stand and which areas need improvement. 7. Stay motivated. Staying motivated for 6 months might feel like a long time, but trust me, the key is to keep your energy high. Here are a few tips. Celebrate small wins. Every time you master a new word, hold a conversation, or understand a movie, celebrate. These small victories will keep you motivated. Visualize your success. Picture yourself being fluent in English. Imagine traveling, meeting new people, or even advancing in your career because of your language skills. Keep that vision in mind every day. Get inspired by success stories. There are so many stories of people who learned English in 6 months or even less. Follow them and let their progress inspire you. Conclusion. All right, you now have the tools to start your English proficiency journey today. Remember, it's all about consistent practice and a positive mindset. Stay determined, and you'll see results in just 6 months. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on language learning and personal growth. Drop a comment below about your English learning goals. I'd love to hear them. You've got this, and I believe in you. See you in the next video.